Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your Webull app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, you just click on it here. When you just click on menu, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on theme here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on dark here. So when you just click on it, and here it's going to change with you to dark mode like you see on your Webull app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking